In this video, I will show you how you can apply for and get a job at Allied Universal. So to do this, what you want to do first is just search for Allied Universal Jobs, and then here go to the jobs.aus.com, so working at Allied Universal. Go and click on that, then here you can enter a job title, category, or any skills that you want to filter for. I recommend just leaving this open since you are probably not exactly sure what the job title is. Then here set it to your location and set a radius, and then click search jobs. Then from there they will show you a bunch of jobs which you can filter by relevancy, date posted, location, etc. Then you can also add more filters in the right, but here you can see they have a few jobs such as janitor, security officer, and you can also see some of them are full-time, others are part-time or only afternoon. Now for example, I'll go security officer full-time, so you can then click on it. And then from here you can scroll down and see exactly what it is. You can see the career path, the rewards, the digital interview, etc. And at the top you will have something that says apply now, so go and click on that and then enter your email. Then from here connect one of these accounts such as Google, Apple, Indeed, LinkedIn, or one of the other ones, and go and upload your resume. Choose a login and password and enter your contact information as well as your phone, addresses, and just fill out any other questions that they may ask you and click submit profile, and then they will reach out to you for a digital interview, and that is basically how you can apply for a job. So now you know how you can get a job at Allied Universal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.